What's up, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. Right here we got the car ready to go and the truck ready to go. Today's gonna be a sad and exciting day just because this is actually the last time I'll be driving this truck. After today, we're gonna be trading it in for the single cab that we actually pick up tomorrow. So exciting news coming. The Lariat, it's definitely been the nicest truck I've ever owned, with outside appearance and inside comforts. I mean, just look at this thing. Super nice, brown leather interior, 12-inch screen, digital dash, heated and cooled seats, all the little nice accents on the door as well. And I'm trading it in for a race truck. I mean, so selfish of me to trade in this nice crew cab that my family and I can enjoy, but we don't have any kids, so we're gonna trade it in. We're gonna get the single cab. We're gonna do what we should have done with the antimatter blue, but we didn't get the chance to do it before I traded it in. So just give you guys a quick rundown. Avalanche grade 2-wheel drive 5.0 with the Whipple Beltec lowering kit. I actually do already have the headlights and the tail lights that I'm going with that will be shown later in this video, but want to give you guys an update. This badass twin turbo T56 car is actually heading back to Shrek because as you can see, it had a little accident. So one of the little seals that cost like $8 dried up and leaked. So on the C-clip eliminator. So we're gonna take it back, get that fixed, and we're gonna go ahead and get the car cleaned up once we're home. So see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and load up the car and we're gonna tow one more time with the F-150 Lariat. I love this truck and I hope I don't regret it. Help me by watching the videos of this F-150 single cab build so I don't regret trading in this really nice truck. That's all I can ask. Subscribe, like the video, comment, tell me that I'm making the right decision by going with the 700 horsepower daily. You know, that just makes sense for YouTube, for me personally. I'm just trying to like convince myself that I'm making the right decision. So as a car guy, from a car guy to a car guy, help me out and I'll bring badass content for you guys. And the battery's dead. And we are here at Payne with the long-awaited single cab. It's finally here. I actually came to visit during the week, and I don't know if I recorded or not, but this is the actual truck itself. Just to go over it, I think they already took off the window sticker. They have it ready for me to pick it up. Basically, just gonna trade keys and be on our way. It does have the wireless keypad, and it does have the blind spot assist. I think other than that, I think I just got the hitch. And that was like the only modifications I did for the XLT. So it's gonna be like a super simple build, or super simple like build sheet, but we're doing all the work on the outside ourselves. All right, we're finally inside the single cab. As you guys can see, 8-inch screen in the middle. This one does have the dual climate control, XLT version. Drive modes are gonna be here, and this is a very nice feature, which is, it's not the full digital dash, but I mean, it's semi-digital dash where it has the middle compartment showing as digital, and then the rest. I actually like this. The full digital dash wasn't really anything like too exciting. I remember when I first got it, I was really excited, but I think I'm just gonna keep it like this, but I do want to do the center console, maybe the center console shifter, or maybe not, because I can put my phone there. And I really do want to get a sound system for this truck. So we'll go ahead and see, maybe take it to the audio shop here in the valley, or if y'all know anybody else, link them down below or comment their names and I'll go ahead and check them out. We're just gonna go ahead and drive to the front, take a picture of my homie Alex. As always, appreciate you again, bro. We're actually gonna be coming back once all the parts are in stock, the Whipple, the lowering kit, the wheels, and they'll go ahead and hook me up with the loaner during the installation process. So that's gonna be real nice and excited for that. That should be sometime towards the end of September. Yeah. First stop after the dealership, we're headed straight to get tint all around. I don't think I'm gonna do the windshield. Should I do the windshield? She doesn't want me to be a super grandma, but yeah, it's illegal, I guess.
That wasn't even the first stop.
What was the first stop? Oh yeah, the first stop was Starbucks, whatever. But first off for the truck, we're gonna get the window tint done. We'll see what percent we would go with right now here shortly. But I do have great news. I just got off the phone with, or just texted with Shrek. He said the Whipple will be here in about 4 weeks. The weld wheels should also be here in 4 weeks, and the lowering kit is already, or has already arrived. So all the modifications should be done here by the end of September. Sorry if I sound like a broken track player, but yeah, just wanted to give you guys a heads up because I'm super excited to get those modifications on the truck. And yeah, right now I do have the OEM LED headlights and tremor tail lights ready to go on. Only thing I'm missing is the fog lights, but my buddy Mike has all 3 of them, so we might be taking it to him this weekend to get installed. Who knows? But if not, if we do that, I'll bring you guys along. And this is gonna be the first time towing with this single cab. I already had an experience with the antimatter blue one, but Avalanche Green with less than 100 miles, and it's already gonna be putting in work. It's gonna be putting in a whole lot more work. So you guys subscribe, like the channel, comment that I made the right decision by trading in the Lariat. Well, I think I did, so let's see if I did. We're gonna go ahead and go wash the car and then go drop it off at Shrek's. It's gonna be getting a parachute installed and a minor fix in the diff. So go ahead and see you guys there. Well, we're here at Shrek Motorsports. If I'm panning, it's because we had to push the car because the battery died, but it's all good. We got it down. We're gonna go ahead and leave it here at Shrek's, and it's gonna be getting a whole new look in the rear end with the parachute being installed, and then the little accident with the little C-clip eliminator. We're gonna go ahead and replace that seal, and the car should be ready to rock and roll for Mod Nationals in Bradenton for November. And quick little surprise. Quick little surprise is that he's actually working on an Avalanche Gray right now, getting a Whipple. So unfortunately, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So we're gonna end the video at this. I wanted to give you guys a little outro. We're back in San Antonio, as you guys can see behind me. The truck is here. We dropped off the car at Shrek's to go get the parts installed. But I really wanted to show you guys. He was working on a 2023 Avalanche F-150 and he was getting a Whipple. So exactly what we're gonna be doing to this truck. You know what? God's plan. He wants the first Whipple Avalanche to be mine on the channel. So that's what's gonna happen in about 3 weeks or so. We should have all the parts in. Today I got some good news, but it's way too much to be filming and putting into one video, so we're gonna cut it here. I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys are excited for this upcoming build, and I'll keep you guys updated, hopefully at the end of this week. Peace.